I'm your brother and sister. I'm both Mrs. and Mr. I'm gay, bi, transsexual and queer. I am myself. I'm your father and mother, uncle, auntie, friend and lover. I am different and the same. I am your family. I'm black, white, pink, every hue. Christian, Muslim, Buddhist, Jew, skinhead, goth, punk, new romantic. I am me. I am you. I am your nurse, your teacher, the boy and girl next door, someone in the street. I am your neighbour. I'm no better or worse, no richer, poorer, blessed or cursed. Just part of the same gravitational wave as you.